it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a thrift store haul. I am super excited about this haul. I got a ton of stuff. I can't wait to show you guys. I'm going to do a video once I make projects out of these items. I have a couple things in mind that I want to do out of some of them. The others, I'm just going to have to use my imagination. But without further ado, let's get into it. The thrift store that I went to was Goodwill. I went to 2 total. And the first thing that I got was this little red bird cage. If you guys know anything about me, you know that I love ravens, I love birds, and I love bird cages. I have a bird cage tattooed on my arm, and I cannot wait to do something with this. Not sure what I'm going to do yet. I think I might spray paint this gold. I might do white. I don't know. I'm going to do something with it, and I love the way that it looks. The bottom unscrews so that you can put a little candle in there, and I'm not sure if I'm going to use it as a candle holder or if I'm just going to use it as a decor piece, but either way, I am excited to see what I can create out of this. I also got from Goodwill, and this was $1.99. It is a wooden sign, and I'm pretty sure it is imitation wood, but I can do a lot with this. Now, I hate the color of this that it is right now. I also kind of hate the design. So I'm just going to end up probably painting over this with something, maybe turning it vertically to make some sort of other sign out of. I'm not sure, but at this point, I mean, anything is possible. I just can't wait to redo this and get rid of this ugly color. I'm sorry if you guys enjoy this color or this design, but it's just not my style. It's not for me. So as soon as I saw this for $1.99 though, I knew I could do plenty of things with it. So I grabbed it, and I will show you in a future video what I do to transform this sign. Next item that I got also from Goodwill. It was 99 cents. No, I'm sorry. It was $1.99. I'm not really sure what it is. I think it's like a message board because it has the little clothespins on it. But somebody did it in this sort of like vintage newspaper design. And it looks like it's Mod Podged. It's just definitely not my style, but I can make it so pretty if I just do some paint and maybe redo the top of it a little bit and take off some of these embellishments or just redesign them. A sort of window design, which I really love, as you know from my previous videos. And I'm excited to see what I can create with this. I want to make it beautiful, and that is part of the reason that I do upcycling, is because I love taking something old and making it new. So if you have any suggestions for this, maybe leave them in the comments below. So I don't know about you guys, but every once in a while I will go into Goodwill and I will see something and I will think at the time, I don't really need this, so I don't grab it. And then I go back to get it and it's gone. Luckily in this case, that did not happen. I saw this a few days ago and I went back the other day to grab it and it was still there. And I was so thankful because I had such... It's got this sort of, I don't know, provincial farmhouse design. It's metal. I just couldn't stop thinking about it, so I went back and grabbed it. I'm probably going to use it as a wall hanging, but I'm not sure where I'm going to put it. I just knew that I had to have it. It was like calling to me. So we'll see how I end up redoing this. I will do a whole video on it, thing or anything. And it's this candlestick. So I did pay $4 for this, but it is huge and heavy, and I know exactly what I'm going to do with this because I had my eye on these types of candlesticks. I actually grabbed a couple more of these, not this exact same one, and you'll see that coming up. But originally the price on this was $29.99. So I'm thinking it's from either Hobby Lobby or Michael's or one of those stores, but it's heavy and it's coated in sort of like a glass, but on the inside it's plastic. And that doesn't matter. I'm going to end up painting this because I don't like the color of it and I can see some cracking in here. So I'm just going to end up redoing this and using it in the future for a decor piece. But I'm super excited about this because it's almost exactly what I was looking for. I didn't find a match for this per se, but I think once I redesign the other ones, you'll see what I mean. So I got these candle holders. And I am going to end up probably redoing these. I'm going to use them with the large one that I just showed you. So these were $5 each at New Uses, which they're very heavy and they are plastic, but they're solid. I didn't really want to pay that much, but when I saw these two and I saw that, I was like, I really should probably get those because I don't know how long they're going to last. So I ended up picking them both up Not a great deal, I get it, but it's really what I wanted, and so I grabbed it while I could. It's gonna be pretty though. That's what I justify it with. So the next item, I metal hanging 3-tier tray. And so the reason I got this is because I really wanted to get one of the 3-tier trays from the Target dollar spot this year. Then I got to Target and I found one that finally had the trays, and they were so tiny. I could not believe how small their 2- and 3-tier trays were this year. I didn't want to spend $5 on a tiny tray that I really was not going to be able to fit anything on. So I got the idea in my head that I was going to go to this store, New Uses, and see if they had a 2- or 3-tier tray. Instead of me spending $5 at Target, I could spend, $5 or $6 at New Uses and grab a tray from there and just redo it. Well, they didn't, and I ended up having these candlesticks distract me at Goodwill, and they were $1.99 each, but this was on the yellow tag day, so I did get them for 99 cents each. And I am going to use these two to do my tiered tray. So I'm going to have it with these. I don't know what colors I'm going to paint it. I don't know if I'm going to paint the wood. I don't know if I'm going to paint it at all. I have to kind of think about that, and I will make a video to show you what I do with that tiered tray, because I have a lot of ideas in my head. I hope you guys enjoyed this thrifting upcycle haul. I am going to be showing you at the end of the video what I did to remake that wood and galvanized box, so stay tuned for that. And the rest of the projects, I will be releasing videos this week on how I remade and upcycled all of these items to make beautiful home decor on a budget. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned to see what I did to transform the galvanized and wood box. Also at Goodwill, it was, $2.99, is this galvanized and wood sort of organizer box. It has 4 compartments. I've got little scraps in there from my hobby table. Now it does on the front say menu du jour, which if you are a Dumb and Dumber fan should instantly remind you of what's the soup du jour. I'm probably going to paint over this with some black paint or maybe even white paint, I'm not sure yet, but I am going to do that in this video, is redesign this box. So you'll see that at the end of the video. Stay tuned and I'll show you what I did